Children, let us continue history lesson 5, kingdoms and kings and the republics. Yesterday we have started the kings, how they are going to become a rulers. The normal people, how they become a rulers. So because of they perform the sacrifice, they do the puja, offering the some of the gift to the gods. And also that, so here today we can see that the king by his character and also by his championship and also the battlefield and witnessed his exploits, ch- chanted tales of his glory. So his greatness and also his championship and his character and how he is participating in the field, in the battlefield also, it is witnessed to praise the king also. His relatives, especially his wives and sons, had to perform variety of minor rituals. On behalf of the kings also, the wives, the king's wives and also sons, they perform some of the sacrifices, offering gift to the god, and some pujas they are going to do it. The other rajas were simply spectators who had to sit and watch the performance of the sacrifice. So some kings, they themselves only sacrifice. Some of the kings, when the priest is performing the puja, the king used to sit and just offering the puja to the god. The priest performed the rituals including the sprinkling of sacred water on the king. So after completing of the puja, the priest is going to be sprinkle the sacred water, that holy water, on the king. The ordinary people, the wish or the vaishyas also brought gift, and after completing of the puja, the some of the other people, the wish or vaishyas, they bring some of the gift and giving to the king. However, some people, such as those who were regarded as sudras by the priest, were excluded from the many rituals. So there is no permission to perform any rituals by the sudras also. And the priest, the Brahmin priest, they are going to be offer the pujas and by their sacrifices. And some kings, they themselves own sacrificing the puja to the god, and some of the kings, they sit side, all the work is done by the priest. So next one is the Janapadas. The Raja who performed these big sacrifices were now recognized as being Rajas of Janapadas rather than Janas. So after completing of the puja, the king is going to be recognized. He is the person and Raja of Janapadas. And also the word Janapada literally means the land where the Jana set its foot and settle down. So where the people are living. So he is the ruler of the Janapadas. And also the some important Janapadas are shown on map for page number 49 also. Archaeologists have excavated a number of settled in these Janapadas, such as Purana, Purana Quilla in Delhi, Hastinapura near Meerut, and Atranjikera near Erta. The last two are in Uttar Pradesh. Atranjikera near, it is the all the Meerut and Atranjikera, these two places are located in the state of the Uttar Pradesh. They found that people lived in huts and kept cattle as well as other animals also. So the archaeologist recognized the king when he is ruling the people in those days, and the and also the people are living in the huts, small houses only. In when they lived in the small houses, and in that small place was ruled by the king. Here some of the two examples. One is the Purana Quilla is located in the state of the Delhi, Hastinapura near Meerut, and Atranjikera, or these two places are located in the state of the Uttar Pradesh. Along with the people, They used to keep some of the cattle. Cattle means the domestic animals also. They used to rear it. They also grew variety of the crops: rice, wheat, barley, pulses, sugarcane, sesame, and mustard. Along with the rearing of the cattle, they grow some of the variety of the crops, and they depend on the, they are growing the rice, wheat, barley, pulses, sugarcane, and sesame and mustard. After crops, they used to use that crops, and the people used to live in the simple life. But here the Janapada, it is literally Jana. These people were ruled by the king who performed the yajnas and yagas, and also some of the kings, the priest is performing the yajnas or pujas. After that, the holy water he will be sprinkling on the king. So let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you. Read the textbook.